One blender costs more than 4 times the other. So why do 70,000 verified buyers still pick the cheaper one? Today it's the Vitamix 5200 against the Ninja Professional Blender. Premium power versus the budget beast. The round that decides this isn't the one you'd expect. Quick note, links below our affiliate, doesn't cost you extra. Stick around. Round 5 flips everything you think you know. Here's the plan. 5 rounds, head-to-head. Build and motor power. Ice and frozen drinks. Blend quality and texture. Cleaning and maintenance. Value for money. One of these categories flips the entire result. First up, the Vitamix 5200. This is the premium pick, sitting at more than 4 times the price of the Challenger. It runs a 2-peak horsepower motor with hardened stainless steel blades and a 64-ounce container. Verified reviews show a 4.8 stars average across more than 9,000 buyers. Owners consistently praise the smoothness, no chunks, no grit, even with kale stems and frozen berries. The self-cleaning feature gets called out again and again, which buyers also report units running 7, 10, even 15 years. The weakness? It's loud, and the tall container won't fit under most upper cabinets. You'll need counter space and patience for the price tag. Now the Challenger, the Ninja Professional Blender, the budget beast. It packs 1,000 watts, total crushing technology, and an XL 72-ounce pitcher. That's actually a bigger jar than the Vitamix. Verified reviews land at 4.7 stars across more than 70,000 buyers. That's not a typo. Buyers rave about the ice crushing. Frozen margaritas in seconds, snow cone texture, no half-melted slush. The stacked blade reaches the full jar height. The weakness? Buyers report it can't quite match Vitamix on hot soup or nut butters, and the plastic pitcher feels less premium than glass. But for under $100, the value is unmatched. Round 1, build and motor power. The Vitamix takes this one, and it's not close. 2-peak horsepower versus 1,000 watts. Aircraft-grade metal drive coupling versus plastic gears. Buyers consistently report Vitamix units outliving the warranty by a decade. That's 1 round to nothing. Round 2, ice crushing and frozen drinks. Upset. The Ninja wins this one. Its stacked blade tower is built specifically for ice. Verified reviews call out perfect snow cone texture every time. The Vitamix handles ice fine, but buyers say the Ninja is faster for frozen drinks, 1 round each. Quick heads up, round 5 is where most viewers change their pick. The score is tied right now. But one of these products lands a knockout coming up. Round 3, blend quality and texture. The Vitamix takes it back. Buyers consistently report silky smoothies with 0 chunks, even with fibrous greens. The Ninja leaves seeds and skin behind on tough ingredients. For nut butters and hot soups, it's a clear Vitamix winch 2-to-1. Round 4, cleaning and maintenance. Vitamix against its self-cleaning cycle runs with a drop of soap and warm water. 60 seconds and done. The Ninja's loose blade assembly means hand washing around sharp edges. Verified buyers flag this as their top frustration. 3 rounds to 1. Round 5, value for money. This is the tiebreaker round, and the Ninja wins it decisively. At roughly 1/4 the cost, it delivers 80% of the daily smoothie performance. Verified buyers call it the best blender they've owned under 3 figures. Final score, 3-2. Final tally. Vitamix takes it, 3 rounds to 2. But the Vitamix wins the build, the blend, and the cleanup. If you make smoothies daily, run hot soups, or want a 15-year appliance, the 5200 is your pick. If you blend a few times a week, love frozen drinks, and refuse to spend more than $100, the Ninja Professional Blender is genuinely the smarter buy. That's the matchup. The category decides this one, not the badge. Both blenders are linked in the description below. Click whichever fits your kitchen. It helps support the channel at no cost to you. If this breakdown saved you time, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown. We comb through thousands of verified reviews so you don't have to. No fluff, no fake testing, just the data. Thanks for watching Kitchen Deals for You. Catch you on the next one.